Okay, I've fitted the HP F860 into the car. I've not done the wiring yet, I've just kind of shoved everything up above the sun visor. It took about 10 minutes. It was really simple and easy to do. It was a case of just running the wire in. I already had the front power wire from my previous dash cam, so I had to run the wire to the rear camera. I'll just start here just showing you quickly the footage. I'm just in the car park. That's the front camera with a picture-in-picture of the rear camera. It's not really well focused. I can use this 2-channel button to switch. I have the rear as the main with the front camera at the corner, or I can have just the front or just the rear. So I put it back to picture-in-picture. I think that's the best way to do it. I'll take it around, I'll show you the back as well, see how that looks. So I've chosen to put the rear camera in with the sticky double-sided tape. I'm not too worried if it leaves a mark or anything there, it's not a visible place. I've positioned it just so it's pointing where the windscreen wiper cleans, so it should get the clearest view. And I've run the cabling inside the trim. So if you can see, I've hidden it straight into the plastic trim here. There's a little bit poking out here, so I'm just shove it back inside. In my car that was quite easy to do. And then at the front I've not been so neat, so I need to do a bit of tidying up to get that sorted. Okay, that's the shot of the camera from the rear, just through the window. I'll just put it up next to the brake light. And if I open the boot, obviously the camera's gone up with the boot lifting. You can see a little bit clear about where I've fastened it just there next to the brake light. Yeah, it's slightly adjustable. I'm going to come and tighten the screw up just to keep it at a better place when I find the right position. But I might even reposition the bracket at some point, just depending on how it looks when I'm driving. Okay, I'm going to go out for a drive now and see what the footage looks like.